Iginit ni Lanao del Norte 1st District Representative at Vice Chairperson ng House Special Committee on West Philippine Sea, Muhammad Khalid Dimaporo, na dapat na idokumentong mabuti sa pamamagitan ng video ang mga agresibong aksyon ng China sa West Philippine Sea. Ito'y upang makakuha ng simpatya ang Pilipinas mula sa international community kaugnay ng coercive actions ng China. Suportado naman ito ng isang opisyal ng Department of National Defense. Nagsagawa ng pagdinig ang komite upang alamin ang detalye sa nangyaring insidente noong October 22, 2022 kung kailan may mapanganib na maneuver ang dalawang barko ng Chinese Coast Guard at binangga ang isang Armed Forces of the Philippines contracted supply boat. Ayon naman kay House Special Committee on West Philippine Sea at Mandaluyong City Representative Neptali Gonzales, ginawa ang pagdinig upang magsilbing platform sa open dialogue at matiyak na matutugunan ang mga hamon sa West Philippine Sea. Pakinggan po natin ang magkasunod na pahayag ni Lanao del Norte 1st District Representative Muhammad Khalid Dimaporo at DND Undersecretary Ignacio Madriaga.
Document the aggression of the Chinese against the Filipino people, and hopefully get the sympathies of the international community.
Because by highlighting that, internationalizing, videotaping, documenting everything, we would increase the reputational risk to China, and that was not done before. And the lesser the risk for China, the more aggressive they become. But internationalizing it is basically adding reputational cost to China, and they don't want that.